Charlie. What you doing, Charlie? Did you get a new hat? Are you showing it to your best friend? Show Mommy your new hat. That's lovely. Watch where you're going. Watch your step. Hi. It's a wonderful new hat. Watch your step. Watch where you're going. Be careful with that new hat on. That's a dangerous hat. Danger's your middle name, isn't it? What you doing? What are those?